Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nabeel Ahmad, and today I will show you the responsive website which is made by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Uh, in this website, this is basically e-commerce website. You can see this is from starting. This is a nav bar, and here I put best sellers, gift ideas, new release, today deals, and customer services from this nav bar, and a flyer, and in the side menu, slide menu bar, here home, fashion, electronic, jewelry, and here I put a button of category, action, another action, someone else, and you can search the blog, whether you can search each and everything from this e-commerce website. And here I add another button from language, English, French, and cart, and secondly cart. uh, Move on for the next. Here I use the slide menu and arrow button, then move the here you can see the fashion for men and women. Here I put a price of shirts, t-shirts, women skirts, then buy now and see more. And here I add two buttons from back and left to right. Then move forward. Here I put electronic uh, things, which is laptop, mobile, computers, and here I put start prices, and same thing. Here I put left to right button. Then I add jewelry accessories. You can see here. Then I put the footer, and this is a design. This design for a loading design. For example, if you want to search anything, whether if you want to search t-shirts, then uh, when you can search, then the loading menu will become, then the shirts will come. uh, Secondly, you can see the flyer, email, subscribe button, and bestseller, gift ideas, and these all things. If you go to the button slide menu, then you can see the, if I open the fashion, then here you can see that the fashion page of, and their electronic, and then jewelry options. Here you can the all categories, action, another action in it, and you can see the best sellers, gift ideas, and so much more. uh, if you want this code, then you can comment your email, uh, and I will send you the code. Secondly, I will show you these websites. uh, Here I put four HTML pages, and CSS, bootstrap, style.css, responsive, and all, so many things. And here I put a font, then images, then here I put JavaScript file. So this is a proper website. If you want this website for your semester projects and so much more, you can contact me. And if you want this e-commerce website, kindly comment your email. I will give you the drive link, and send you the code of this WinRAR software or a drive link. Thank you so much.